The Wriggle Bolting System was designed to assist in the installation of rock bolts with resin anchors in larger diameter holes. The benefits of this system are enhances mixing of resin anchors, increases load transfer capabilities. The wriggle section increases the effective diameter of the bolt. The Sandvik Wriggle Bolt is available in two options for varying applications. The Sandvik T20 Wriggle Bolt delivers a typical yield strength of 185 kilonewtons and tensile strength of 215 kilonewtons. The T24 Wriggle Bolt delivers a typical yield strength of 244 kilonewtons and a tensile strength of 288 kilonewtons. A reliable shear pin breakout system allows for fast tension to the roof. The drilled hole diameter should be 35 mm to 38 mm. Hole depth is critical. Hole depth should be shorter than the bolt to allow for the height of the washer and nut. Prior to installation, ensure the hole is flushed and free from dust and grit. Insert the resin capsules, ensuring faster setting resin is inserted first. After insertion of the resin anchors, the bolt is rotated through the resins while being pushed to the back of the hole. It is important to follow the resin anchors' recommended mixing and hold times as printed on the resin anchor cartons. Do not overmix. Sandvik Wriggle bolts are supplied in two configurations. The Sandvik T24 Wriggle bolts improve the typical yield and tensile strengths. Standard bolt lengths for both configurations range from 1.5 meters to 3 meters in 300 millimeter increments. Alternative lengths can be manufactured if required. Corrosion protection may be provided by hot dip galvanizing or alternate coatings.